So this is Darius, age 10 as of yesterday, and we're about to get baptized. So tell us a little bit about why you're doing this and what it means to you.
What baptism is basically, it's a symbolic representation of your old self dying and your new cleansed self coming out of the water.
Yes.
The Ruach in you.
And any other special reasons why you want to be baptized today?
I'm not sure. I'm just really excited about doing it.
Excellent. All right. Well, thanks for sharing that, buddy. And Mommy's looking forward to seeing the big moment.
Okay, Darius, now I baptize you in the name of Yahushua. Shema Israel, Yahuah Elohim, Yahuah.
So Darius was just baptized, and we're here in Kentucky, in Florence, Kentucky, because we were seeing the Creation Museum this week and the replica of the Ark, because it was Darius's birthday. So Darius, you were just sharing how good you feel. You want to elaborate on that? Maybe you want to watch this video when you're older.
Yeah. Well, I don't know exactly how I felt, but it's just when it came out, I was just really happy. And I'm not sure if y'all did it or it was just my perspective, but when I dunked in the water, it felt like 5 seconds. But when you watch it on the tape, it's just like not even 1 second, it's like half of a second.
That is beautiful, son. Awesome. Well, Daddy and I are so happy that you got baptized today, and what was old was put away and you come up brand new. A public testimony is what you were doing, and so much symbolism there of being a new creature in Yah. And I'm excited for this walk that you're on. It's awesome. It's awesome. Alright, well, I'll be sure to save this video so you can watch it when you're older, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I love you.